Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my average ride into a blazing fast machine using these performance upgrades. When it comes to taking your car to the next level, performance upgrades are essential for enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned tuner or just starting out, the right upgrades can make all the difference in transforming your ride into a high-performance machine. One of the biggest challenges car owners face when trying to make their vehicles faster is the cost. Let's face it, upgrading your car can be expensive, and it's easy to get caught up in the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. But the truth is, you don't need to break the bank to get the performance you want. With a little research and planning, you can find affordable upgrades that will give you the biggest bang for your buck. Another challenge is complexity. With so many different options available, it can be overwhelming to figure out what upgrades are right for your car. And let's not forget about the installation process. If you're not mechanically inclined, it can be intimidating to tackle a major upgrade on your own. But don't worry, with the right guidance and resources, you can overcome these obstacles and get the performance you want. Misinformation is another major hurdle car owners face. With so many conflicting opinions and biased reviews online, it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. That's why it's so important to do your research and find credible sources of information before making any major upgrades. And always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Finally, there's the fear of the unknown. Upgrading your car can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to the world of tuning. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can overcome this fear and unlock your car's full potential. When it comes to performance upgrades, there are a few key areas to focus on. Engine tuning is a great place to start, as it can give you a significant boost in power and torque. Exhaust systems are another popular upgrade, as they can improve your car's sound and performance. And let's not forget about suspension modifications, which can improve your car's handling and stability. Engine tuning is a great way to get more power out of your car without breaking the bank. By optimizing your engine's computer settings, you can unlock hidden horsepower and torque, giving you a faster and more responsive ride. And with the right tuning software, you can even do it yourself from the comfort of your own garage. Exhaust systems are another popular upgrade, and for good reason. A high-performance exhaust system can improve your car's sound and performance, giving you a more aggressive and responsive ride. And with so many different options available, you're sure to find one that fits your style and budget. Suspension modifications are often overlooked, but they can make a huge difference in your car's handling and stability. By upgrading your shocks, springs, and sway bars, you can improve your car's cornering ability and reduce body roll, giving you a more confident and responsive ride. But which upgrade is the most effective? In my opinion, it's engine tuning. With the right tune, you can get a significant boost in power and torque, all without breaking the bank. And with so many different options available, you're sure to find one that fits your style and budget. Plus, it's a great way to get started with tuning, as it's relatively easy to do and requires minimal modifications to your car. I've seen it time and time again. A simple engine tune can transform a sluggish ride into a high-performance machine. And the best part is, it's relatively affordable compared to other upgrades. Take my friend's car, for example. With a simple tune, he was able to gain an extra 20 horsepower and 30 pounds-to-foot of torque, all for under $500. In conclusion, when it comes to performance upgrades, it's all about finding the right combination of power, style, and affordability. By focusing on key areas like engine tuning, exhaust systems, and suspension modifications, you can unlock your car's full potential and get the performance you want. And remember, proper tuning and installation are key, so make sure you do your research and find a reputable mechanic or tuner to help you along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with car upgrades in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tuning tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.